kilovolts and 10 milliamps, and that's sort of stabilized, and there's the grid. And I'm going to run a 1-minute count here on top, and we'll figure out how many neutrons we're making. You know, I'm sitting too close to this with the X-rays. I need to be back here at least in order to reduce my dose to 1 milligram of X radiation. Yeah, I know my range. This is the 1 milligram line, right? The various rope limits, you know. When this thing really gets going, you get about 1 milligram right here per hour. And I'll suffer 1 milligram of X radiation. Yeah, here you go. Let's turn it to, that's 3, now that's the 3 milligram range. Let's put it on 10 milligrams. There you go, Carl. It'll only take a few seconds to stabilize.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I'm going to reset that. And we'll see how many neutrons we're getting here. We're running about, not quite 30 kilovolts. I'm going to take it up even higher.
Yeah.
Let's go up even higher. Keep it above 10 mils, right about there. That looks good. You shouldn't be able to read anything there, hardly. Because the X-rays really don't come through that shell like gangbusters. Through the shell until about, 30 to 32 kilovolts.
You get about 0.3 somewhere over here.
0.3?
Yep, right here I can get 0.5, 0.6.
Really?
Right there.
Come on around the front here and see what you get. And the bathe, you bathe in them here. Take a bath in the stuff. Now, if you go down to the floor, that's where the beam is coming out of the viewport into the camera.